So here at Embedded World 2024, we have stopped off at the Pineberry stand, and Pineberry makes some amazing add-on boards for the Raspberry Pi. As you well know, the latest Raspberry Pi had a little FPC connector on the side that got a lot of people very excited, but this is one of the first vendors we've seen that have such a wide range of different add-ons you can get for the Pi. I'm here with Mike from Pineberry, who's going to take us through what a few of these add-on boards can do.
Okay, so we are the first company in the world that started utilizing the PCIe connector on the Pi. Mm-hmm. So we started with just a very basic board that only houses one NVMe drive, available in two variants. That goes on the top, which is a standard HAT footprint, or on the bottom, underneath the Pi, where you can put a long drive. And since October, we've been hard at work at trying to develop an entire ecosystem of the boards that you can essentially combine together and build whatever type of application that you might need. So we have things like the first commercially available 2.5 gig Ethernet card for the Raspberry Pi, and we also have a variety of boards that have PCIe switches. So so you can mount two drives, a drive and a Coral Edge TPU for AI image recognition, and also a board that you can use to build a little router. So you have a 1 gig NIC and the NVMe storage. And on top of that, we also figured that it would be nice to allow people to build their own combinations. So we have a board that is called by us the commander of all the hats, so which you can use to connect. You can connect it to the Pi, and then you have a packet switch, a multiplexer that you can then use to connect two other boards to it. And this is a full lane, so even if you combine a 2.5 gig card and then connect, let's say with this board you can connect a 5G modem because it's a mini PCI board, and then you can essentially have over gigabit downlink from the Pi with a 5G application. So what we figured is that before you need to not only get a compute module, but you also had to invest a lot of resources into developing a custom carrier board for it, because this is what we've been doing before Pineberry became a thing. So right now, in most of the common industrial applications, you can just take a number of our boards, combine them together, and there are no additional R&D costs on your end, other than the software that you run on it.
Fantastic, yeah. And one other thing that I did notice here, which I do find quite exciting, because I focus quite heavily on audio, is that you do actually have an audio board here. This is something that's going to be coming soon, right?
Yeah, so this is something that we engineered back in December, so it was supposed to come out a while ago, but we haven't done it yet. This is a board that essentially combines the hard drive top, which is the basic NVMe board, with a Hi-Fi Berry compatible DAC from Texas Instruments and a dedicated headphone amplifier chip. So you essentially have two boards combined into one.
Absolutely, and it's clear that you guys have really thought heavily about the use cases for all of these different boards and the way that they can be combined. If people want to find these Pineberry boards right now and start getting started with them, what's the best way for them to find you and buy your kit?
Our website, which is pineberrypi.com, and you can get any product that you see right now on. One of them or two of them will be available in around a week or two.
Okay, yeah. Well, fantastic. Well, thank you so much for giving your time today, Mike. These all look fantastic, and enjoy the rest of your conference.
Thank you. Thank you for joining us.